What's going on, y'all? Check it out. Today we finna do some chicken, y'all. Some baked chicken. It's finna be real tasty. But anyway, let's get it. So first thing first, of course, we gotta go ahead and rain on this chicken. Go ahead and with a little bit of this kosher salt. Now we gonna go ahead and hit it with that fresh cracked pepper. Now these are green peppercorns. They bring a unique flavor. So we have prepared ourselves a veggie bed. Now I have onion, bell pepper, and some carrots in here. And we just gonna make sure everything is broke down and ready to receive our chicken. And then we gonna get that chicken right on that bed, y'all. Right on that bed. Now this chicken came out pretty good. My wife really enjoyed it. And you know how she is about her chicken. But anyway, we gonna go ahead and hit it with some olive oil and then some balsamic vinegar, y'all. Might sound crazy. I'm gonna tell you that balsamic vinegar gonna really bring out a flavor in there. But not too much, y'all. About 3 tablespoons. And then we gonna get it into our 350-degree oven. After about 10 minutes, we gonna give it a check. Pull it out and flip this chicken. You know, just move it around a bit. Making sure everything gets down to those vegetables, because we gonna eat them, y'all. We gonna eat them. And after we reach that magic temperature of 165, we gonna get them on out. So check it out, y'all. What you think? Looks good, looks good. I'm ready to go eat on this. And oh yeah, had mine with green beans and of course those veg from the bottom of the pan. And that vinegar really brightened up that chicken flavor. Oh my goodness. This was so good. Tasty, tender, juicy. I'm telling you. Try it out. But anyway, y'all know what time it is. Love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all.